Hello everyone, welcome back to our Abacus learning series. Today we are going to practice small friend sums using these 4 examples. So let's start with our first example. 1 plus 4. So first take 1 plus 4. Plus 4 means we can't add plus 4, so we have to apply formula for plus 4. So plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. Now minus 2. So we can't subtract minus 2 as we don't have any lower pairs. So again we will use small friend formula for minus 2. That is minus 5 plus 3. Now add 3. For 3 we don't have pairs. So again we will use small friend formula plus 5 minus 2. So our answer is 6. Let's continue with our second sum. 2 plus 3. So first take 2 plus 3. So use small friend formula for 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now again minus 2. We can't dare subtract minus 2. So apply formula minus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. So our answer is 7. Now let's move on to our third sum. First take 5. 5 minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 5 plus 3. Add 3. 3 means plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 4. As we can't subtract minus 4, so use formula minus 5 plus 1. So our answer is 2. Now our next sum is 6 minus 2. First take 6 minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. Now minus 3. So right now our answer is 5. Wonderful job, little learners. Don't forget to revise these sums and try them on your own abacus. I will be back soon with more fun abacus tricks.